Lifebuoy alarms are equipped with motion detector sensors that trigger the alarm when a child or pet falls into the water. It can easily detect motion in the pool. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Lifebuoy Pool Alarm devices have an innovative state-of-the-art technology to ensure your safety in all types of pools. A pool alarm for above-ground pools, in-ground pools, spas, ornamental pools, constructed or temporary pools. Number 2. Lifebuoy Pool Alarm System comes with a smart Bluetooth app that is used to set up and controls the pool alarm. Use it to adjust the sensitivity of the system or increase or decrease the siren length. You can connect the Lifebuoy app to multiple Lifebuoy alarm systems and can also have multiple users. All batteries are included. Just attach the pool unit poolside using the provided attachment kit, and you are ready to go. Lifebuoy Pool Safety Alarm works on replaceable non-rechargeable batteries. The battery model is 9 volts 1200 mAh lithium. Batteries can last up to 3 years, depending on usage. Number 3. Lifebuoy uses a smart feature named Swim Mode. When Swim Mode is activated, the alarm will not sound off to allow swimming. Should no movement be detected for 10 minutes, the system will reactivate automatically. And in the event of a fall into the pool, a siren will go off. Number 4. The Lifebuoy system is suitable for pools up to 20 feet by 40 feet. If your pool is larger, you can use several Lifebuoy systems in the same pool, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Will it work with an automatic cleaner or water features? Answer. Automatic cleaners and water features may cause false alarms. With small waterfalls, the system can perform well if the pool unit is installed far from the waterfall. System sensitivity might need to be reduced in this case. Question number 2. When should I replace the battery? Answer. Home unit battery lasts about 1 year and can be easily replaced with a standard 9-volt battery. Pool unit battery lasts up to 3 years and replaced by removing 4 screws. Use only compatible 1200 mAh lithium or 9 volts battery by Lifebuoy or PK Cell. Question number 3. Will it work with a solar cover? Answer. No, Lifebuoy will not work properly with a solar cover. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.